Hey guys, how are you? So we're in a restaurant right now in Bulgaria, ordering this lovely sushi. See, it looks delicious. This is a tuna sushi. It's not a tuna sushi, sorry. It's a smoked salmon sushi. Okay, and I'm just gonna teach you how to eat it right now. And the way to properly eat the sushi, first of all, is you take out your chopstick from your packaging, and then you do like this. The reason you do this is to remove all the splinters from the sushi and to make it nice and smooth. And the next thing to do is take your sushi, and it comes with a little dish of soy sauce, and this is pure soy sauce. This is my cameraman's soy sauce. It's already got the what is the name of the sauce? Of the green stuff.
Wasabi.
Wasabi. So this one has the wasabi in it already. So the normal way I eat it is I put my wasabi. This is right here. I take it and I put it right here in my soy sauce, like that, and then I just dissolve it like this. Make sure it's nice and smooth, dissolved, and then at the end it should look just like this when it's nice and dissolved. So let's just do it. I was just teaching my cameraman how to eat sushi because he can't hold the chopsticks. So the way to hold the chopsticks properly is you keep this lower stick stationary and you just move the chopstick. So just like this. Down. Doesn't. So the waitress just brought this beautiful green salad. I ordered it. This is a traditional Bulgarian green salad with cucumbers. Let's try it. It's already been flavored. Wow, very good. And this one is a spinach soup for cameraman Jelio. If you guys are not subscribed to Jelio's channel, you should do it. He's got a really good channel and I'm present in his channel very often. So just type in JJELIO and TV and in YouTube, and you'll find him. He's got a beard on. Oh, this is very hot. So let's try it. Jelio, I should have ordered soup like this for myself.
You have your own soup.
I know. This is really, really, really good. Really good. But I'm gonna try this one. And this is a bowl of fish soup, Bulgarian kind. Let's try it. They didn't tell me. Are you sure this is fish? This does not even look like fish. What kind of fish is that? This can't be fish. No, this is definitely not fish. I'm gonna have to return the soup. This is the strangest tasting. Oh, this is like a heart. How can a fish have like a heart like this? This is not fish soup. What the heck kind of meat is that? But I'm eating it anyway. That's ridiculous. Anyway, back to our sushi. Okay, so now that we have our wasabi sauce nice and dissolved inside the soy sauce dish, what you do is you take your sushi, like I explained. You keep the chopsticks stationary, the lower one, and then you keep moving the top one only. So then you take your little roll like this, and then like this, and then you dip it. You dip it in the sauce, and it becomes like this, soggy, and you can eat it just like that. If you don't like spicy, then don't dissolve your wasabi sauce in the soy sauce. But you can turn it around. You see this side is plain, and this side is the soggy one. So if you turn it around, it'll actually soak through, and it will become more moist. So then you can just eat it like that. Mmm. Mmm. Very nice. Wow.
Is this fish?
This is salmon. And this is the vegetarian one. And are you gonna eat the vegetarian one? Do you wanna eat it? I will show you guys how the cameraman eats his vegetarian one, because I just taught him how to do it. But he can't hold chopsticks, so he keeps dropping it. So I'm just gonna feed him one. And the way he does it is he'll dip it in here, and then he'll turn it around and he'll dip it on the other side as well. So it's nice and soggy. And then I put my hand under, because you see it just keeps dripping. So, and now I'm just gonna feed it to him.
I'm gonna eat it. Eat it, cameraman, eat it.
Eat the food, Tina. The food. From Napoleon Dynamite. The food, Tina. How many minutes are we at? Oh, yes. So, on to the next bite. These women are very, very noisy. These ones here. They're ruining my restaurant experience. And one of the main points to eating sushi is you have to eat it whole, because if you try to ingest it like halfway, it's just gonna fall apart and it doesn't work. It's already been made, the sushi is already made bite size, so you don't need to break it down into smaller bites. So let me show you again. If you try to eat it partially, this is what happens. You see, it doesn't work. It just falls apart. So you should try and eat it whole as much as you can. Oh, and at the end of this video, you guys, I will link my other channel. I have a mukbang channel. For those of you who don't know, mukbang is where you eat in front of the camera and you show how you eat. And in the mukbang channel, you hear all these sounds, like wonderful eating sounds. That's the whole point of a mukbang. So you can hear the crunchiness of this salad, for example. Can you hear me? Come closer. Like that. So, watch until the end of this video, and you get to see a little round icon. Hope you like my earrings, by the way. I've got these new Chanels, and I've got a new Chanel ring. This one. So, my mukbang channel will be at the end of this link, and it's a green icon with me in a green dress, and all you gotta do is click on it, go to my other channel, subscribe there, watch those other videos, because I have like about 10 to 20 other videos there, and I've got about 205 videos in this channel, which you should watch as well. I have a whole playlist. Again, at the end of this video, I'll have a whole playlist. So just click on that playlist. It'll say all of Tsetsi's videos. And then you can just roll watching all of them, beginning to end. And I think you'll enjoy some of them, and maybe, hopefully, all of them as well. Another thing too is check out my website. It's tsetsi.com. tsetsi.com. And then another thing is my Instagram. People keep asking me about Instagram. It's tsetsi.pg right now. So go follow me on Instagram. And what else do people ask me about? Oh, WhatsApp. I can't give you my WhatsApp. I don't use WhatsApp. I only use WhatsApp with like cameraman video. Other than that, I really don't use it. And people ask me about Facebook. I don't go on Facebook a lot anymore. I pretty much stopped Facebook. I'm even thinking about closing down my Facebook account. But I haven't, I'm not sure if I close down my Facebook account, because I have a Facebook page and a group called Tsetsi. So I'm not sure if those will be deleted. That's why I haven't closed it down yet. But I'm thinking about it. I already closed down my Facebook for my website for the leeches, and that's worked out pretty well. So, yeah, Facebook doesn't work for me anymore. Here's another juicy piece of sushi. Cheers. Enjoy. Oh, this one had a little too much wasabi in it. Jesus. Have you ever eaten a piece of sushi that had so much wasabi that you just felt like your nose was just like a bunch of pins and needles invaded your nose? Have you ever done that? I have. I think my cameraman overdid on the wasabi last week as well, and he learned his lesson. He decided not to eat wasabi altogether, but then I showed him this technique where you just dissolve it in the soy sauce, and he's back to eating it again. So that's just unfortunately your veggie sushi is over, so we only have this one. Are you gonna try it? No, he's a complete vegetarian, so he's not gonna try it, but I will. I'm protecting myself against the wasabi invasion again, so I'm taking smaller bites. Don't forget to give me your thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe. And if you don't have a picture on your profile, put a picture up and leave me a comment. I love receiving comments from people with pictures. So I'm gonna read comments in one of my next videos. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I love you. Mwah.